M&M is anxious to effect a turnaround in its electric mobility fortunes. Frustrated with incremental growth in the home market, M&M has set its eyes on the United Kingdom. In a bid to ensure the success of this foray, CNBC TV 18's Ronojoy Banerjee reports M&M has taken some drastic measures.
M&M's electric car E2O has received so far a lukewarm response in India, but the company hopes this will not be repeated in the United Kingdom. Spurred on by Tesla unveiling its Model 3 car, M&M is going all out to try and ensure its electric vehicles succeed. This includes a first for M&M in the form of a wholly owned subsidiary there. Called Mahindra International UK, this subsidiary boasts a business model that is entirely digital, meaning no dealerships and no service workshops, just a login to a website to book your new wheels or a service appointment.
We are going with a completely unique model. I don't think anybody else has done it. A completely digital, dedicated interface where the consumer and we interact only on cell phones or on the internet. You buy your car off the internet, the car gets delivered to your home. And what's more unique is all the service is also done at home. So we've gone in and we've tried to understand what does our consumer actually want. And the consumer really just wants to be satisfied operating out of their office or their home instead of going to dealerships and garages.
So you're doing away with the concept of dealerships entirely from UK?
So it's going to be a completely digital model.
Choosing the UK market is not a surprise. The number of electric car registrations in the UK has jumped from about 1,000 units in 2011 to almost 10,000 as of 2015. This enthusiasm is bolstered by the government's £400 million grant to boost electric mobility. This includes waiving electric cars from steep parking and congestion charges in places like London. But with Nissan's Leaf and Tesla gunning for that very market, M&M is in for a tough fight.
The UK is a very important market. It's one of the most mature electric vehicle markets in the world. And we're going to go there and compete with everybody else. They started incentivizing electrics about 4 years ago, and you can now see the inflection happen in London. Their growth has been 50% year over year. They've started to back off on incentives on plug-in hybrids, but clearly continuing on battery electrics. And you can see the growth happening not just in London, but in Birmingham, in all the major cities of the UK.
Mature markets or not, M&M believes it will take at least 3 years before its electric vehicle segment breaks even. So it's going one step further to ensure its UK innings start with a clean slate and a green image. It will not launch any SUVs in the UK market, at least in the immediate future. In Bangalore, Ronojoy Banerjee.